Hello, you can also follow me on Instagram as well as on Telegram. Instagram Bachelor of Commerce 3, Telegram Bachelor of Commerce Study and Craft. Today we will do direct tax law, chapter number 2, set off and carry forward. In this video, we only do practical problems. I also make separate video related to its basic, how to treat and set off any amount or any losses up to how many years. Okay. Now we can start with sum number 1. Question number 1, provide information related to loss from house property, which is 8,000, and gain from short-term capital gain 95,000, long term loss 85,000, and interest on security, which is another other source of income, 18,000. Now losses are from house property and long term capital gain, and another information that is absorbed depreciation, which is 35,000, that is brought forward from 2008 to 9. Now we can solve it. Salary, no information available related to salary. Income from house property, no income from house property. Business suffer loss, so income from house property blank. Business income blank. Now capital gain, unabsorbed depreciation is treated in business income, but we cannot deduct unabsorbed depreciation from business income because we cannot gain anything from a business, so we can set off unabsorbed depreciation from another head. Long-term losses cannot set off from another income, as well as not from short-term capital gain. So long-term capital loss only set off from long-term capital gain. So 85,000 carried forward so that we can set off 85,000 next year only from long-term capital gain. So 85,000 carried forward. Second information which is available, short-term capital gain. Short-term capital gain 95,000. House property loss set off from short-term capital gain. So we can deduct 80,000 from 95,000. Unabsorbed depreciation set off from short-term capital gain. So we deduct 35,000 from 95,000. Two amounts are deducted from 95,000. Then we get 52,000. Okay. Short-term loss. If business suffers short-term loss, then short-term loss set off from long-term gain as well as short-term gain. Okay. Short-term loss set off from long-term as well as short-term gain. But long-term loss only set off from long-term gain. Okay. Other source of income, which is interest on government security, that is 18,000. Now our gross total income is 80,000 plus 52,000, that is 17,000. Question number second, in which information related to house property, income from house property, which is already computed, means already calculated, which is 6,000. House property income already calculated, so we does not use that information, which is annual and municipal taxes, because question already calculate house property income, so it is not useful in our solution. Profit from electrical goods, profit agency business, speculation gain from gold, long-term capital gain, short-term capital gain. Okay. Now losses from electric goods or business, loss from agency business, speculation loss, absolute depreciation, long-term capital Loss, short-term capital loss. Okay, this is the information which is available in the question. Now we can solve it. With the help of available information, we can solve question number second. Salary, no information available related to salary. No available. No information are available related to salary. Now, income from house property. Income from house property, which is already calculated in the question, 6,000. Business income. Business income. Now, the two type of separate business are electronic goods business and agency business. In electronic goods business, firstly company get profit of 10,000 and suffer from a loss which is 6,000. We can set off 6,000 loss from 10,000. 10,000 minus 6,000, 4,000. Second business, agency business. Firstly, company enjoy profit which is 3,000 and also suffer loss from agency business, which we can set off from the profit. Set off from the profit. Now 3,000 minus loss which is 1,000, then we get 2,000. Okay. Unabsorbed depreciation also set up from business income if business get any gain or profit. If business suffer loss, if business cannot get any income or any gain or any profit, then we can set off unabsorbed depreciation from another heads. Now also subtract 1,000. Okay. Speculation gain. Speculation gain is 2,000. Speculation loss 4,000. Okay. We only set off 2,000 because our speculation gain is 2,000 and loss is 4,000. So we can only set off 2,000. Remaining 2,000. 4,000 minus from 2,000. Then we also get 2,000 which is remain. These remaining amount cannot set off from any head such as electronic goods business, agency business. Speculation loss only set off from speculation gain. So we can carry forward that 2,000. Again, speculation gain minus speculation loss. 2,000 minus 4,000, only 2,000 set off, remaining 2,000 cannot set off because speculation loss only set off from speculation gain. So we carry forward that 2,000. Now another information which is available in the question, capital gain. Firstly, long-term gain which is 7,000. Set off long-term loss 44,000. Subtracted 2,600. 4,400. Subtract from 7,000. 2,600. Short-term gain 2,000. Short-term loss set off 3,000. Short-term loss set off from short-term gain as well as from long-term gain. So remaining 1,000 which cannot set off from short-term gain can also be set off from long-term gain. So 2,600 minus 1,000. Then our capital gain is 1,600. Then we can solve it. At the end we can calculate our gross total income which is 26,600. Information available in question number 3. Income, house property, radio business profit, electronic business profit, speculation income, short-term gain, long-term gain, and electronic business depreciation 2,500, and losses from cycle business which is discontinued, loss from electronic business, radio business loss, unabsorbed depreciation, unabsorbed family planning expenditure, speculation loss, short-term loss, long-term loss. Okay, now we can solve it very easily. Question number 3, no information related to salary, so we can blank that column. House property income 95,100. Business income, radio business profit 9,600. Radio business loss. Loss set off from radio business profit. Loss from radio business set off from radio business profit. So we subtract 900 from 9,600. Cycle business loss. Cycle business loss. That business discontinue, but we can set off that loss from the business profit. Radio business profit. 3,900 subtract from 9,600. And 900 as well as 3,900 subtract from 1,9,600. Then we get 13,800. Another business is electric business. Profit from electronic business 800. Loss from electronic business set of 2,700. Now our remaining loss from electronic business is 900. That 900 we can set off from another business sets, like electronic business loss. Remaining loss 9,000 can be set off from radio business profit. Okay. Unobsolete depreciation 1,000 set off. Current year depreciation, which is 2,500, set off from that income. Okay. Now we can calculate total business income. 13,800 minus 900 minus 1,000 minus 2,500. At the end we get 9,400. That is our business income. Okay, speculation income, which is 900. Speculation loss, which can set off from speculation income, 3,200. 900 minus 3,200, 1,300. 1,300. That amount carry forward. That loss carry forward. 1,300 speculation loss carry forward because it cannot be set off from any other income except speculation income. Okay. Now, for our fourth head is capital gain. Capital gain, gain from long-term capital, which is 9,250. Long-term loss set off from long-term capital gain. Subtract 6,450 from 9,225. At the end we get 2,800. Long-term loss only set off from long-term capital gain. Short-term capital gain 3,200. Set off short-term loss from short-term capital gain. At the end, 32 minus 4,100. At the end, we remain with short-term loss 900. But short-term loss can be covered or set up from long-term capital gain. Short-term loss set up from long-term as well as short-term capital gain. So we subtract 900 from 2,800. At the end, we get 900. Okay, this is capital gain. So at last we can add 9,500, which is house property income, 9,400, which is business income, and 1,900, which is capital gain. So our total income 20,800. Question number 4. Salary income computed. House property income. First, house A income, house B loss, house C loss. Business income, cloth business profit, hardware business loss, speculation profit, speculation loss. Okay. Capital gain, short-term gain, short-term loss, long-term gain. Other income from betting, loss from card game, income from card game, interest on security. Okay. In this question, you can see that some casual income are available. Firstly, note that business loss cannot be set up from salary. Okay. business loss cannot be set off from salary. And casual income like loss from card game cannot set off even from income from card game. Okay, loss from card game, which is casual income, cannot be set off from income from card game. Okay, and any income which is casual income not used for setting off. Okay, it means that you cannot set off any loss from casual income. Now we can solve it so that you can understand in better way. Salary income 24,000. House property. Okay, first house A income 10,000. House B loss, which we can set off from 10,000. House C set off from 10,000. Okay, the house property loss. House property loss, which is 58,000. 58,000. Okay, business income. Profit from closed business 10,000. Loss from hardware business 12,000, which we can set off from it, but we cannot set off full amount. Our 2,000 house 2,000 loss from hardware business remain, which we can set off from other heads, except salary. Okay, because business losses cannot be set off from salary. Okay, speculation profit 12,000. Speculation loss 17,000. Our 5,000 amount, which is loss from speculation business, remain. We cannot set off it from another income, so we can directly carry forward it. Speculation loss 5,000 cannot set off from another income, so carry forward it. Then capital gain, short-term gain 8,000. Short-term loss 24,000. Long-term gain 8,000. Okay, and if we solve it, then we remain with a capital loss 8,000. Carry forward it because we cannot set off that losses from another head except capital gain. Okay, other source of income, income from betting, income from card game, which is casual income. From that income we cannot set off any losses from another head, so we can directly write here. And interest on security is another income, other source of income, but not a casual income, so we write 8,000. Now we can subtract some losses. Now you can see that interest on security 8,000. Okay, firstly we can subtract business losses from 8,000 because we can remain with salary income. In salary income we cannot subtract business income, so we can subtract business income from interest on security. Simply, firstly we subtract business income from interest on security because business loss cannot set off from salary income, which is the only remaining income after interest on security. So we subtract hardware business loss from 8,000. 2,000 subtract from 8,000, we get 6,000. Now another income, salary income. Now we can plus it. At the end we get 30,000. From 30,000 we can set off house property loss. House property loss 58,000 subtract from 30,000. Now we cannot set off total amount of house property loss from that 30,000 income. Then the remaining amount, which is 28,000, carried forward in next year, so that we can subtract it at next year, so that we can set off it in next year. Question number 5, information related to house property. In 2019-20, 8,000 business related information. Interest on securities 2019-20, which is loss, not income. Another source of income, interest on bank 2000. This is only information related to 1920, and this is the information related to 2019 to 2020 to 21. Now we can solve it directly because simple information are available in this question. Information related to salary, no, so we blank it. House property income 8,000, business income, okay, glass business profit 50,000, depreciation 8,000. Okay, now we can subtract 8,000 from 50,000, 30,000. 30,000 means loss from glass business 30,000. We cannot set off it, so we can carry forward it. Speculation income 6,000. We can set off loss from our other business from speculation income, but speculation loss cannot be set off from another income. Again, loss from another business can be set off from speculation income, but speculation loss cannot be set off from another income. Business loss set off from speculation loss 30,000 minus 6,000. Then again we remain with a fruit business loss, which is 24,000. Now we can write it 24,000. Okay. Another in short-term loss or gain in 2019-20. No information related to it. Other income such as bank interest, interest on security. In bank interest 2,000, interest on security set off because it is a loss, negative figure, set off from bank interest blank. 2,000 minus 2,000, 2,000. Now business and loss from fruit business loss 24,000 set up from house property income. Okay, note, business loss cannot be set up from salary. Business loss cannot be set up from salary, but business loss can set up from another heads except salary. So 24,000 minus 8,000. Again business suffer loss, fruit business loss after adjusting 6,000, which is carried forward in next year. So two amounts are carried forward, such as glass business loss, which is 30,000, and fruit business loss, which is 16,000. Okay. In 2020 and 21, information available. Salary none. House property 8,000, income 8,000. Glass business income 1,40,000. Deduct depreciation 75,000. Okay, and firstly set of fruit business loss 4,000. Now some losses brought forward such as 30,000 depreciation in previous year, brought forward fruit business loss 16,000. At the end we get 7,000 income from business. Capital gain, short term capital gain, which is carried forward. No, not carry forward, it is already available. Capital gain, short term capital gain 25,000, negative figure, so it means that you can carry forward it in next year because the capital gain only set up from capital gain, so we can carry forward 25,000 in next year. because it is a loss. Other income, in other income, interest on security, interest on bank. 22,000, 5,000 plus किया 7,000 and our total income 22,000. If you need this video in Hindi or in Punjabi, please comment below. Question number 6, income from house property, other income, business, profit, depreciation, business A and business B. Dividend, other income, dividend pay by T, that is a loan, so means the interest pay by T, and capital gain. Okay. Unabsolute depreciation, business B, amount 15,000, which is brought forward from 2017 to 18. Business A, unabsolute loss 20,000, which is brought forward from 2017 to 18. Now we can solve it. Salary, information related to salary, no available in the question. House property, income 6,000. Business A, trading profit 10,000, depreciation which we can deduct from 10,000, 4,000. Business B, trading profit 50,000, depreciation which is 12,000, deduct from 50,000, at the end we get 38,000. Unabsolute depreciation from business B set up from this amount, and unabsolute loss from business A brought forward set up from this income. At the end, our business income is 7,000. 4,000 plus 38,000 minus 15,000 minus 20,000, 7,000. Capital gain, short-term capital gain 12,000. Other income, which is interest on dividend, 2,000, and interest paid 6,000. Interest paid, subtract 6 minus 600, 1,400. Interest on government security 2,000. Now we can add it, our other income, other source of income 3,400. 6,000 plus 7,000 plus 12,000 plus 3,400. Our gross total income is 28,400. Question number 7. Question number 7, income from house property, trading loss in 2020, trading loss, depreciation, speculation income, other income. Okay, in 2020, house property income, trading profit, depreciation, speculation loss, and other income, capital gain, capital loss, short-term capital loss. Now we can calculate it. 2019-2020 salary, no information related to it. House property 8,000, income from house property 8,000, loss from business, trading business 15,000, depreciation deduct 32,000, in speculation income 60,000. Now these two losses set up from 6,000, because speculation income is used to set up any losses from another head, but speculation loss cannot be set up from another income. Now our remaining loss from business is 41,000. Capital gain, no. Other income 5,000. Now this 41,000 can be set up from house property income as well as from other source of income. 8,000 plus 5,000 minus 41,000, then we get 28,000. So this is a loss from business, which we can carry forward in next year, so that we can set up it in next year in the head business income, as well as another income head, but except salary. 2020 and 21 salary, no information available related to it. House property 8,000, income from house property 8,000, trading profit 36,000, depreciation 23,000, which we can subtract from 36,000. Previous year business loss brought forward can be set up from that income. Previous year business loss 28,000 set up from this income. 36,000 minus 23,000 minus 28,000. At the end we it suffer from loss of 50,000. Business suffer from loss 50,000, which we can easily set up from house property as well as another head in which a person get some type of income or gain. Speculation loss 8,000. Speculation loss cannot be set up from another head except speculation gain. So we can carry forward that loss. Capital gain, short term capital gain, no. In it, persons suffer from short term capital loss. 5,000, so we can carry forward it because short term or long term is only set from, because capital losses are only set off from capital gain. It means that you cannot set off capital loss. You cannot set off capital loss from another heads. You cannot set off capital loss from another head. So we can carry forward 5,000. Another income 6,000. Now 50,000 set up from 8,000 as well as from 6,000. But again 1,000 remain, which is business loss. 1,000 business loss remain after setting off, so that 1,000 carry forward in next year. So that person can set off that loss in next year. Question number 8. Profit from business A, loss from business B, speculation business loss from business C, short term gain, long term loss, interest on security, which is another income. Income from owning and maintaining of race house, which is another income. It is not a casual income. Casual income are income from lottery and income from card game, loss from gambling. Okay, now you can see some losses from long term capital, short term capital loss, unobsolete depreciation, loss from owning and maintaining of race house horses 2015 to 16 and 16 to 17, which is brought forward in that years. Brought forward loss from business A 18,000. Now we can calculate it. Information related to salary not available in the question. House property income, not any information related to it available in the question. Business income, business A profit 80,000. Business B suffer from a loss of 20,000, which we can set off from 8,000. At the end we get 16,000. Speculation loss, business C 60,000 carry forward because business loss cannot be set off from another income. Absolute depreciation set off from this income 25,000. Brought forward loss, business A from 2013 to 14. Brought forward loss. This is a brought forward loss which we can set up from this, because this is the business loss, this is the business income, so we can set off from this amount from this. 60,000 minus 25,000 minus 18,000. At the end we get 17,000. Capital gain, long term capital loss 20,000, long term capital loss 2017 to 18 4,000. These losses are carried forward because long term losses are only set up from long term capital gain. Okay, long term capital loss only set off from long term capital gain. So we carry forward it. Short term capital gain 50,000. Short term capital loss from which is brought forward 2028 to 19 set up from short term gain 50,000 minus 10,000 40,000. Short means our capital gains in 40,000. Other income, interest on security 24,500. Owning and maintaining of race horse income 15,000. Now you can see that in the question 2 information related to loss from owning and maintaining of race horse are available, which are related to 2015 to 16 and 16 to 17. But you can only set off loss from previous 4 years. So we cannot subtract or set off 2015 or 16 loss because it is beyond our time period. Our time period is only or of 4 years. So we can set loss of 2016 and 17, which is 8,000, but we cannot subtract 8,000 from 15,000, so we write only set of 15,000. Another income, another remaining amount which is 3,000 cannot be carried forward because the time period after that year is vanished. Income from lottery 20,000. Income from card game 16,000. Okay. Now other income, other incomes 2,400 plus 20,000 plus 60,000, 60,500. Now we can add all the incomes such as business income, which is 17,000, and capital gain 40,000, and other income 60,500. At the end, our gross total income is 1,17,500.